Now at Christmas time, when all the fantasy movies are repeated on TV, a magical portal has opened.
Finally, your efforts seem to pay off. This mechanism looks painful.
What do
Yuck. Don't step in that. It smells like sulfur. Many consider the existence of such a being to be a rumor. It's really hard to get a network connection. There used to be more splatter. You feel a curse on these walls. The breath of death touches you. The janitor. Your old life lies behind you. Oh, Christmas feast. I'll whack this beast. You almost tripped. Grandma also had stolen the Christmas, but without monsters in it. Well, that's a nice... You look down, but there's nothing there. Go where you have to. Everything here seems cursed. The treasure was once kept here. You feel that you are not alone here. something there that gives life. Take you feel like you've made a big mistake. Better close. Now you know where all the items, the ground is slightly sloping.
Over here.